bought easy Toddler hairstyles. We have a new hairstyle for you. It's a good one for school. Let's get started.
I'm starting by prepping the hair by wetting it down with a little bit of water. It's just going to make it easier to work with. I'm then going to comb through it and make a part down the middle of her forehead, back about 2 inches. From here I will make a part down to the ear on either side. I'm going to add a little bit of spray gel, comb it out, and then add an elastic. And we are going to repeat this on the other side. Again, I've got like a 1.5 to 2 inch section on the front. And then after we're done with these 2 ponytails up front, I'm going to take another 2 inch section behind it and part all the way down to the ear again. Now, I don't want this back section getting into the section that I just parted off. So what I'm going to do now is just loosely secure this back section with a ponytail or clip. And then the section behind the front ponytail section I'm going to part into 4. So I'm just adding spray gel and water as I go, and to get these sections even I'm going to come back right behind that front ponytail right in the middle of it and then add a ponytail on either side. Sorry that we're out of focus a couple times here. I didn't realize that we were out of focus until I started editing. So at this point you should have 2 front ponytails, and directly behind those 2 front ponytails you should have 4 more. At this point I'm going to come to the back of the hair that I had loosely secured off, and the back of the hair is just going to be put into 2 low pigtails. So the low pigtails are going to be towards the nape of the neck. I like to part the style off and then loosely secure one side and do 1 pigtail, and then go back and do the other pigtail. I just feel like this helps me get a cleaner part line and see exactly where the part is at, rather than keeping one side loose while I am doing the other side. So here are both our pigtails, and my left one is a little bit higher than my right one. I went back and fixed it after we were all done. So I'm just going to spray down all of these strands with water and spray gel. This is really important so you get a really neat look with the style. And then once I've sprayed them down with spray gel and water, I am going to comb them all out and gather those 4 together and secure them into a ponytail. From here we're going to take the front 2 pieces, and I'm going to do the same thing, spraying them down with water and spray gel and then combing them through. You'll just get a much neater style in the end. I'm going to gather them together and put them in between ponytails 2 and 3 behind them. From here we're going to have a back view. So I have my 4 ponytails that I've gathered, and then I'm going to split this one into 2 and add them to the ponytails using a clip for now, because I'm going to add more hair, and so I don't want to use an elastic quite yet. This is a pretty elastic heavy style, so the less I can use the better. So with this front section I'm also going to do the same thing. I'm just going to split it into 2. The 2 left strands I'm going to add together, and then the 2 right strands I'm going to add together as well into the right-sided pigtail. So this is a style that really stays put. She's worn it to kindergarten, and it's super cute. Here is one final look at our style.
I hope you like my hair. Don't forget to subscribe. See you later.